The typewriter, ancient and rusted, sat in the corner, keys untouched for years, until tonight. As the first letter clacked into place, the room's temperature plummeted, a chill creeping up your spine. The paper began to fill with words, each one more haunting. Your death is near. A sudden gust of wind slammed the door shut, the typewriter's warnings growing frantic. The lights flickered, casting eerie shadows that seemed to move on their own. Whispers filled the room, indistinguishable yet undeniably sinister, as the typewriter continued its ominous message. On the paper, a detailed account of your demise appeared, specific, horrifying, inescapable. The keys moved faster, the clacking sound becoming deafening, almost as if screaming. Blood began to seep from the typewriter, staining the warnings in dark crimson pools. A cold breath brushed against your neck, and a voice hissed, "There's no escape." The typewriter fell silent, the final words etched in blood, "It ends tonight." And then the room plunged into darkness, leaving only the echo of your fate.